What's up, everybody? It's JR, aka TheSinisterCamaro, and I've got to get something off my chest. I feel like the video today is going to make a lot of people mad, but it's something that has to be said before the car show season starts. So let's get into it after this intro. So what's up, guys? I know I just warped up here, but I just wanted to let you guys know that what I'm saying is exactly what I mean. So I've been doing car shows for a while. I'm in my attic right now, and I just want you to see all this? These are all the trophies that I've been winning over the years. And what are they doing? They're sitting up here collecting dust. So think about what you really want to do. Really do car shows for what you want to do. But at the end of the day, always remember that people and memories will last forever. But these trophies, they'll just collect dust and rot away. So what team are you on? Team Trophy or Team Memories and People? I know which side I'm on. So what's up, everybody? Welcome to my garage. As you can see behind me, the SinisterCamaro is all tucked away because it's 20 degrees here in North Carolina. Thankfully, we got some sun instead of snow and ice and all that nasty stuff y'all have up north. So hopefully it stays that way and warms up a little bit. But for the topic of today's video is gonna be about trophy chasers. Yep, that's right. We're all about some car shows. We've been showing for years. And there's just one thing that just irks me that I had to make a video about. So instead of making a Tech Tip Tuesday video, I wanted to make something that goes along with the automotive theme that we're going for this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. One of the things that I've noticed after showing for, I don't know, over 10 years now, I've had a couple cars I've showed. I have a new truck that we're showing as well. I've been around the car show scene a while. I've met a lot of awesome people. I've had a lot of unfortunate events happen. But all in all, I can say that I'm happy with where I'm at. The number one thing that I can tell you that irks me at car shows is the afterwards with the awards. What do you mean by that? What I'm talking about is those people that come simply for trophies. That is it. No other reason. They want to be the best. Show that trophy off right in front of you because that's just who they are. That's awesome. I love trophies myself. It really shows the work and effort that I put into my vehicles, and it shows me that I'm going in the right path. Here's the bad thing. Any show you go to, you could end up with best of show, specialty in your class. You could end up with a top 100, top 30 or whatever. You could end up with nothing. Everyone has their own taste. Everyone is not going to like everything that's out there. Some people don't like trucks. Some people don't like just lower trucks, lifted trucks, muscle cars, bikes, tuners. There's so many different categories out there. Just so many different ideas, so many different people going so many different ways with it. And it's innovation is what it is. No matter if you have the big wing on the back, if you're slammed to the ground, if you're lifted into the air, even squatted trucks. Yes, I said it. Even squatted trucks are innovation in the automotive society. So we've got to learn to love and respect everybody's theme that they're going for, no matter if we agree with it or not. With that being said, I can tell you with this beauty back here, done a lot to it. I've gone crazy. I haven't gone the craziest I can go with it yet. But, you know, with the channel, maybe we'll get there. But I just want to say that I've been in Camaro forums for a while. And when they see this, they see the wrap and everything, it's awesome. They're going crazy for it. And I get a lot of props for it. Some people are very honest about it and tell me, you know, that's just not my style, but I like where you're going. I mean, it's awesome. It's awesome getting feedback like that. But you're gonna have the people that's just straight up will trash whatever idea you've got. I don't care who you are, I don't care what you have. If you're a Camaro guy, you probably trashed a Mustang guy just for the fun of it. Vice versa. I mean, things like this happen. We're people. We like different things, we like different people. We like different cars, we like different shapes, sizes, all that good stuff. It pushes the human race forward. And with that being said, you go to a car show, your judges are, you might be very specific on what they like. I've had run-ins with classic car guys, the older generation, that see a fully restored Bel Air as being the top of the pinnacle. So, you know, that wins every single car show for them. There's no way you can beat it, period, no matter what. I've been to shows where mini trucking was the thing, and I brought my car out there, didn't get anything. I mean, that's fine, I don't care, we're not really out there for trophies. But I'm just trying to use it as an example of the things that I've run into myself. Now, when it comes to trophies, when I first started showing my car, I really wanted to go for it for the trophies. I guess it was the recognition. It made me feel special in front of all those people, just grabbing a piece of hardware, all my hard work coming together as one. It made me feel so special. However, a wise person once told me, trophies aren't everything. When I first heard that, I'm like, what? Well, then why would you do it? You know, you spend all that time in the garage, cleaning it, prepping, putting the parts together, spending all that money. What do you mean? I just don't get it. So I kind of thought about it for a few months. I still didn't get it. I would come home and I'd be happy, look at my trophy, and then a couple days later, I'd walk in the house, I'd see that trophy, I was like, oh, well, that needs to go in the garage, that needs to go in the attic, you know, things like that. So I started to see what he meant a little bit right there, but I didn't quite catch on yet. But after winning or losing or whatnot, if I get a trophy, it's great to have when you first get it. The memories that you create, the people that you meet, I mean, it's just a rush is what it is. But what happens after that rush? After those 2-3 days after the car show? Do people still bring up that, hey, you won best of show, or you won top 100, way to go? For me, they didn't. So I was wondering, I was like, well, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? I had to reevaluate everything that I ever thought about with car shows and trophies, because that's all I wanted, that's all I wanted to do. So after sitting down and talking to my wife a few times about this, I think I finally grasped it. And I wanted to share my thoughts with you guys and to see what you had to say as well. So going to car shows is fun. You meet a bunch of great people. You have a bunch of ideas to go through, and with your build, you have a different perspective on life as far as different directions you can go. Number one thing for me is the people. I feel like the $20 or so I spend at the gate to get in, that's an investment and a hangout for me to meet other people with the same mentality, the same thoughts that I have, and wanting to customize cars and push the human race forward. I know it may sound strange, it may sound weird the way I said it, but really innovation comes with moving forward, going beyond the barrier that people have set, thinking outside the box to go just totally nuts wild. It's the little things that people do that give you a different thought process so that you can make something better to push everything else forward. That's how innovation works. In the car industry, I mean, they have a huge get-together called SEMA every single year. It's so big, it's like the pinnacle of what a car person wants to go to. I mean, you have your car up there, you'll have sponsors, vendors, I mean, just everybody plastered, magazines everywhere with your build on it. How great of a feeling is that? So when it comes to customizing cars and trucks, things like that, I feel like I'm pushing the envelope. So there's more to it than just trophies. You have some people that actually throw the car shows, put them together, do different events, and raise money or build money, make money off of it. And that's what they like to do, because they just like to see happy people making money, put together, it's just a fun time for them. So they get their value out of that by just putting on the show to begin with. So you have to ask yourself, what am I doing to go to car shows? Am I going for trophies? Because I mean, really, what do trophies do for you? Do they keep you warm at night? Do they come over at 2 a.m. in the morning on a cold, snowy night where you broke down in the middle of the road in the dark and no one's around to hear you or anything like that, and you've only got a little bit of battery left, but you know your friend around the corner would come out in that snow to come get you? Trophies won't do that, but people will. What about when you're having kids years from now? You have kids, you go back, you look back on the good times, you see them building the car of their own because they watched you do it so many times from what you've learned from going to car shows and building your own custom car. Do you think those memories are more important than trophies and the physical objects? I can tell you for me they are. I can tell you that I've learned so much more from just building the car and interacting with people 20 million more times than one little trophy. Again, don't get me wrong. It's a good feeling to get a trophy. It recognizes you for your hard work. I understand that. But don't let trophies wrap your life around something meaningless when you've got other things, other people, other memories to create out of that. The car culture, the truck culture, bike culture, all of that is a family of togetherness that is people just wanting to go crazy or just to have a good reason to go for a ride on the weekend because you had a stressful day at work. It's just so many things wrapped into one. So all I'm asking is that this car show season, 2019, when you go out there, ask yourself, what's my reasoning to go out to car shows? Is it for a trophy? Is it to innovate? Is it to hang out with friends, create memories? I mean, what is it that you want to do? Leave a comment down below. Let me know why you go to car shows. I want to see what you guys have to say. So please leave a comment below and let us all know so that we can grow from this and make 2019 a better year. Don't just go for trophies. Trophies are going to basically just sit in a dark alleyway or a dark room or an attic or whatnot collecting dust. That's all they're going to do. But the memories and the people that you create at those events, those are going to last forever. And that's what I want you to take away from this video. Thank you so much for joining me today in this video and for listening to what I have to say. Feel free to share this video with anybody that needs to hear it. Let them know that you care about them and not about some stupid trophy. And don't complain when you don't get one or if it's not good enough to what you think. Everybody loves their ride. Everybody knows the hard work they put into getting there. But at the same time, people have different opinions. You're going to get different trophy here, different trophy there. I mean, just all over the place. Don't get wrapped up in the trophy nonsense. Keep innovating. Keep pushing each other forward. Let's grow this automotive community together, and let's see how far we can take it and show the world that we're more than just pieces of plastic and fake gold. So thank you for joining me, and we'll have more videos like this if you enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. I will see you, I think, just about every day this week with a new video. So make sure to tell your friends to come check me out. I want to get to meet all you guys, so subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Comment below because we're going to have a comment of the week every single week. And for today's comment of the week, I have selected UpMostt with 2 T's. Yeah, that's right. He commented on one of my videos last week and said I looked handsome. You know, I'll put it up right here so you can see it. But yeah, dudes telling other dudes they're handsome. I mean, it's 2019, what can I say? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, Sinister Camaro Army. We're out.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.